Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Logic with Shivam. Today I will cover an interview question on one of the mostly used feature by the developer nowadays is field parameter. So field parameter allow users to dynamically change the measures or dimensions being analyzed within a report. This feature can help your report readers explore and customize the analysis of report by selecting the different measures or dimension they are interested in. So before going ahead, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. That helps me to motivate and create more such content. Let's look into the data. As you can see, we have multiple material which have their delivered date and due date. Here we created two measure, on time flag, which is giving up the information that material was delivered on time or not. The other measure is deviation in delivery, which is telling if on time and not on time and what was the date difference in days. Okay. So we are just subtracting the delivered date and due date. In deviation in delivery measure, it is considering those materials on time which have delivered on due date or before due date, but it should be not below -5. Now let's move ahead and try to understand the question. Let me delete this one. If you can see in my screen, I have one table with field parameter and I can slice the data by using two measures, right? If I select on time, it will give me on time, and if I select deviation in delivery, it will give me the deviation in delivery, and if I unselect, then it will give me both the column. Now what happens in normal way? Let me go to normal way. For example, here I have added the on time flag and deviation in delivery where I'm not using the field parameter. And if you check here in drop down, we have conditional formatting option, right? In deviation and delivery measure also we have conditional formatting, but in field parameter, if you go here and select, and if you see here, we don't have any conditional formatting to do in the measures. Now the question is how we can implement this conditional formatting in field parameter. So in order to implement the conditional formatting, we will select the measure from the slicer. Let me first select on time flag, then we will click on the table, okay, and then we will go to the visualization pane, and here we have the option called cell element. If I go down, and here I am having if you can see here, I am having only four options: material, due date, delivered date, which are three from the table, and on time flag. I'm not having the deviation in delivery days measure here. So, okay, so since I have not selected, if I in order to do the formatting into the on time flag, first I'll select on time flag, and if you can see here, I'm having multiple options for formatting here. I have done, for your understanding, I have done the formatting for icon, and if I will open this, here I have in format style I have selected rules, and in rules I have given some condition like if value not on time, it will give this icon, and if value on time, it will give me this one. I can delete this one as well, and then if I'll click OK, so I will have this conditional formatting in on time flag. Now similarly in deviation and delivery, once I've selected, then I'll click on the table, and then I'll go to the cell element into the visualization pane of table, and here I will have, if you can see here, now I don't have on time flag, I am having deviation and delivery. If I select deviation delivery, I have provided here two conditional formatting, one for font color and one for icon. So if I'll go to the font color, I have just in the rules I have given in the format style I have given gradient, and in here I have in minimum and maximum custom values I have created like 0 and 1. Wherever it will be 0 or less than 0, it will green, and wherever it will 1 and more than 1, it will go to red. So you can see also here 0, -2, -2, -1 are all green, and above the 0 is 1, 3, 2, 3. And in let's check the icon one for the deviation and delivery as well. So I have selected rules, and I have created, since I have told you that on-time delivery only consider if it should not be below the -5. It should not be -5, -6, -6, -7, -8. It will not consider as on time. Okay, so that's why I have given this condition here, and then I'll click on OK, and I'll have the all of my icon here. And finally, we have the required solution. Hope you like this video. If you know better solution, then please comment below. That's a wrap for today. I would again request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the videos for more such content. Happy analytics.